Check it out.
All right.
Look. That's VLC right
That's some
there.
VLC recording business.
He's
so this
recording.
is James O's tabs. So we've got inbox where'sbbb.org. What is that? Do you know what that is?
No.
Okay. It's got
Scooter
10,000
Techno.
unread emails, though.
Dude, they disgust me.
Yeah. How can you look at that number so big every day, James?
Scooter
I get upset when there's one unread.
Techno.com.
What's that? Is it a site? Oh, scootertechno.com. Yep, he's up there. And then his email address is Hotmail. Oh, he's rolling. Yeah, his Hotmail is deep in emails, man.
Scooter Techno.
What is that?
I think it's just techno music.
But with scooters? Are there any scooters?
What the heck is
Turn your
this?
IVGA on, it's working
No,
again.
Scooter Techno is like a band? What? What is this?
Merch. Yeah, it's a band. Scooter Techno.
Well, good thing to know that Scooter Techno will be playing in Moscow and Germany, Finland, Hungary, Germany again, and Russia.
Check your nearest
next couple of
Scandinavian tour guide.
What's Scooter Techno, bro? Get on the app. Explain why you like this weird band that seems to be made up of dads.
Did look like the presidency of the United States of America
did.
reformed, which they have, and they're coming to New Zealand.
Oh my gosh.
I know.
R.I.P. Darkness, by the way, as well. They had to cancel their tour.
Why? We're supposed to get an interview with Justin Hawkins.
One of them got a hip thing.
Oh, they are dads.
Yeah.
They're granddads.
Oh, the darkness. There was a time and place for you guys, and it wasn't the present.
You know
clearly.
what else there was a time and a place for?
What?
Santana.
Oh, what a seamless segue there. Why do you want to play the song again?
You were singing it. I like it.
Oh, you were singing it. Don't remember this on me. You were
I
the
was
one
totally
singing
singing
it.
it.
It's
It's catchy.
ridiculous.